Kaysa kayo mapangan?
Maria Feser.
O, guniting mic. Imuha na na. Ay,
Minsan
kitagan na. Okay, so, what is your best experience in life so far?
What is my best experience?
In life
So,
so far.
I recently attended a seminar and workshop. So, Scafaces workshop, which is the Scapade bow and scale. So, for me, it was the best since it helps me kon bitaw gitest kanang kung asara tama og unsa ka strong ako pagtuo sa Ginoo bitaw nga na kani nga workshop is kanang for facilitators workshop sa
Wow.
among organization, which is the as SCA, which is the Student Catholic Action. So kani nga experience is it molds me bitaw nga kanang to become closer to God, nga na kanang kon bitaw for me daghan ko nakatunan ato nga experience since I was living my life different bitaw sa wala pa ko ning enter-aning organization. And for me, it was really the best kay kanang mas ni strong akong pagtuo sa Ginoo, and ang fire sa akong kasing-kasing kay mas ning light ay ning hayag. Char!
I know my sheep and they know me
I know my sheep
And they
know me and
and they follow me.